Hello, ladies and gents, welcome. Today I have this nice English laburnum. It has such a lovely grain, and it's been it's been a while since I've turned laburnum. Very dense wood, very enjoyable to turn. It's hard to turn because of the density, but the results you get definitely worth your time. It's going to be a lidded box with this African blackwood as the lid. I'm not going to make all of it the box. Some of it I think will be a foot, small foot, not very long, not very tall. So yeah, maybe up to here for the box, and then a little foot here. We'll see. There might not be foot. There might be. I see as I go. Uh, Maybe the shape I do. Maybe it becomes something that don't need a foot like I usually do. I want to try different design. I don't want it to be boring for you guys. Same design over and over. So I'll try something different this time. And yeah, it's gonna look nice. I'm looking forward to trying this. Last time it turned out alright. By the way, guys, always wear respirator when turning this. It's very poisonous. I've got my AC on as well, air filter as well on. Okay, I'll carry on hollowing that just the way I showed you guys, and I'll come back once it's done, just to save us time. It's gonna take at least half an hour. I don't think you guys want to watch all of that, but yeah, just if you have the same tool, just do what I did. Try to rub this bevel. It acts like a gouge. Just rub the bevel and you'll get a nice cuts like this. Shavings, not like chips. So when you get the shavings, that means you're doing it right. When you get something like that, you're doing it right. So guys, I've finished sanding it to 400. Now I'm going to use a Yorkshire grit with the microfiber cloth. First, spread it around by hand, then turn the lathe on. Wow, oh, such a lovely grain. I've I've got a massive piece of it as well for a bowl this big. So look out for that. That's coming out soon. But check the grain. I don't think any other wood can beat this texture. Alright, we'll get to the lid part and finish this piece. I'll part it off from here where I put the groove in. This black wood is such a lovely wood. I always love turning the finial out of black wood. It's a pleasure to decorate and come up with, because not many wood can tolerate that being that small. So yeah, I'm gonna apply the finish off camera. I'll put 3 coat of microcrystalline wax, and then I'll come and show you guys the end result. There we go, guys, all done. I love the way it turned out. The laburnum is so nice. I'll take some pictures for you guys. That's the inside. This piece will go to the Woodside Craft charity, and it's gonna support people with mental health issues. So I hope you guys liked it. That's the bottom, nice and smooth. I hope you guys liked it. If you have, please hit the like button, and also, if you don't mind, click that bell button, because YouTube made it so even if a content creators upload, it won't go on top of your subscribers list, so you won't get notified, you won't see me uploading. So please hit that bell button so you get notified next time I upload. I appreciate all your support and kind comments. There's a lot of you, and I try to answer all of them, all of the comments. Thank you so much, it means a lot. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.